Hello viewers, welcome to CleverQ. In this video, we are going to see a solution for this small question. Here, a square is given, a square ABCD, and a semicircle is inscribed in this square. And now, a tangent from point B is drawn to the circle which intersect at some point and intersects the square at point F. And we are asked to find the area of the shaded region. Let us see how we can solve this question. Here, from a point to any circle, from a point, if you draw two tangents, the length of the two tangents will be equal. That is, if this length is L, then this length also will be L. So using this, we can say that if we mark this point as E, we have BE as 4 units. That is the length of AB. So AB is a tangent to the semicircle touching at point A, and BF is a tangent to this semicircle touching at point E. So the length of AB will be equal to the length of BE. Now let us assume the length of EF equal to x. If the length of EF is equal to x, then the length of DF is also equal to x by using this same principle. So there is, here we can say that there is a point F, and from point F two tangents are drawn, that is FE touching the circle at E and FD touching the circle at D. So DF is equal to EF, which is equal to x, which we have assumed. Now consider the length of FC. We know that the length of DC is 4 because ABCD is a square. So the length of FC will be equal to 4 minus x, and the length of BC is 4 units. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem to solve the value for x. From here we can say that 4 plus x whole square is equal to 4 square plus 4 minus x whole square. From here we get 4 square plus x square plus 8x is equal to 4 square plus 4 square plus x square minus 8x. And now from this we can see that 4 square gets cancelled with 4 square, and we have x square getting cancelled with x square. If we bring 8x this side, or by adding 8x on both sides, we get 16x is equal to 4 square, that is 16. From here we calculated the value of x to be 1. So x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, the length of FC will be equal to 3 units. Now we have got the triangle FBC, and the height of the triangle is 4 units, and the base of the triangle is 3 units. If we are asked to find the length of this hypotenuse, it is so much simple that the length of the hypotenuse will be simply 4 plus x, that is 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Now that in this question we are asked to find the area of shaded region, the area of the shaded region that is the area of triangle FBC will be equal to half of base into height. So the answer will be 6 square units. So the area of this shaded region, which is shaded in red, is 6 square units. So this is the answer. I hope you understood. What we have done in this problem is, we have, by using this concept, that the tangents from a point to a circle, that is the length of the tangents of from a point to the circle, will be always equal. So by using this concept, we have seen that AB is equal to BE and DF is equal to FE. And next we have calculated the length of FC, that is 4 minus x, and we know that it is already given that this is a square, so the length of BC will be 4. And by using Pythagoras theorem here, we found the value for x. So after finding x, we know what is the length of 4 minus x, it will be 3. And now by using the basic area formula, that is half BH, area of a triangle is half base into height. So by using this formula, we have calculated this half into 3 into 4, that is we get 6 square units. So answer is 6 square units. I hope you guys understood. If you have any doubts, please comment and like, share and subscribe to our channel.